what's up? It is me, Shaunat, and I am back with another video. And today, you guys, it's going to be something different. I'm going to be teaching or showing you guys, telling you guys, whatever, how I do my lashes. So, I'm not going to go through it like all of it, but I'm just going to get straight into it. So, I'm going to tell you guys what I use, how I do it, yada yada. I'm no professional, disclaimer. No professional, like I said in my other video about my cousin. I'm no professional. I'm just show y'all how I do. I'm gonna hurry up, guys, because I got hooked on the Insecure. The show Insecure, like, where was I when it first came out? Okay, but whatever. It's super late, by the way. It's 12:05, and I don't want to do my lashes. That was 90 bucks. Y'all see that? So I got this light right. Okay, so I got some spoolies, some, don't mind this nail, y'all, bro. These. So these are the Ultra Black Flare Long. I always get the long flares. I love long lashes. So yeah, I have 2 packs of these. Cause last time 2 packs lasted a long time. So, and this go around, I'm going for them to be very, very natural. So, then I got this glue. This is meant for like individuals, but I'm gonna use it. So, I'm gonna have like this. Yeah, I see that. I got a mold. I don't like that, baby. Okay, hold on, y'all. I need to hurry up do this so I can get that melody. Get that bread, that head, then leave. Peace out. Check my phone. I'm so excited to do this video, y'all. I haven't filmed a video for you. I'm gonna hit it for free. Okay. So, you grab one, dip, baby, dip, and then lift your fire, and you just place it. And you just push down like that. So I'm gonna do a couple more, and then we're just gonna go back. This time I'm gonna zoom in for y'all. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna listen to music. Then I'm gonna turn my fan back on, y'all, because it's hot. But I'm gonna do it a couple more times in case y'all can see a little bit of camera recording. Break it down for y'all. Bring it down for y'all. Because I'm looking in this mirror, but I want y'all also to see what I'm doing. And I was so scared to use this book. I want to get my eye. But y'all know how many times I done got hair glue in my eye, child. Oh my goodness. My lashes. For you, I'm gonna let it hit it for free. If y'all don't know that, I'm like the TikTok. And y'all, I probably should put this video out earlier. But I'm going to my friend's house tomorrow. And I don't know what we're doing, so I don't know if I should record or not. And then with the spoolies, these are just to make sure they're in place. Okay? I hope y'all can see this. I really do. Yeah, you just gotta lift. Oh shit, I can't even see nothing. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lift and then put it right there. Okay? and I'm gonna tell it in the video so y'all see what I do for y'all. You see what I'm saying?